one was really easy. All you had to do, this raised to this power equals this. 7 to the second power equals x. Everybody better be able to get the answer to that one. So x equals 49, and that's all you had to do for that. Just basically use the loop. Same thing with this one, only what did you have to do before you tried to solve it? Set it equal to x, right. So set it equal to x and then do your loop. 3 to the x power equals a 5th root of 9. How do we solve that thing, Riley Reeve?
We gotta get like bases.
You do have to get like bases. You have to get like bases. And in this case, what's our like base going to be?
3.
Right? This one's already a 3. Over here, how do I write 9?
3 squared.
So I'm not going to do too much in one step, because I remember that when you try to do too much in one step, you make a mistake. So I'm just going to rewrite 9 as 3 squared first. Then what will I do? This 5th root, is equal to what power? To the 1/5 power. So instead of a 5th root, I'm going to write 1/5 power. And now, power to a power you multiply. So 3 to the x equals 3 to the 2/5. So what does x have to be equal to? X equals 2/5. You did that yesterday, not too bad, right? This one that's going to be on today's is just a little bit different, but you should already know how to solve it. The first thing you have to do is use the loop, the log loop. So what do you have? X raised to the equals 27. Now, the trick is to remember, we solved these a couple of sections ago. How did we solve them? I'll give you a hint. You have to raise both sides to a power. Say that again? To the 2/3. Is that right? Say yes. Why to the 2/3? Because it's the reciprocal over here and all that will cancel. What's left over here then?
X.
Just an x?
9. X equals 9.
Now, this, you can do one of two ways. You have to break up that 2/3. We did a section on that. So you can either do one of two things. You can do 27 and square it first, and then raise it to the 1/3 power. I don't know what 27 squared is. I'd probably have to get a calculator. Or you can do it the opposite way. You can do 27, raise it to the 1/3, and then square it. I think I prefer this way because 27 to the 1/3 is actually the cube root of 27. So it's the cube root of 27, then you're going to square it. What's the cube root of 27? 3. And then if you square it, so that whole thing over there, x equals 9. That's all I have to say. That's good.